Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shruti Kirti. I hope you all are doing well. So this video is basically concentrated around facials and home skincare. So a lot of you must be wondering if your home services or urban club services are not at your places and where should you go. So I have a solution for that. So I generally do these kinds of skincare routine every week or every twice a month, so you can just depend upon what I do. This is completely honest. I have actually shown myself doing all of the steps that I would recommend you all. So yeah, take out all your skincare. You would need scrubbers, you would need cleansers, you would need steamers, and some music. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started.
I tell myself I'm done with wicked games, but then I get so numb with all the laughter that I forget about the pain. Oh, but don't you think I highly even you can make it stop?
This is really depending upon you. If you want to use some different kind of scrubbers, moisturizers, face cleansers, you are welcome. Please use whatever scrubbers or face masks that you really want. The idea of inventing and introducing this skincare regime is because of the mask. I have created those masks from my place, from my home, using all the home ingredients that I can easily get from my home.
So guys, the procedure is very simple. I've taken 2 spoonsful of milk and I have mixed it up with this orange peel extract and I've mixed it well, and then I've added turmeric and these masks. You can always get these masks from these.
That's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. Do not forget to keep subscribing, sharing and loving my videos. Also, I am so happy of achieving 10k on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I'm creating such good content because I do a lot of hard work over there. So yeah, if you want to keep subscribing, sharing and supporting me, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. It will mean the world to me.